Re a le amohela mona inside the Baobab tree.
Dumelang metswalle.
Nna lebitso la ka ke Bonolo. Enwa ke Baobab. Ebile re na le motswalle wa rona ya moholo, Old Baobab.
Baobab.
Hantle haholo Baobab. Ha re dumediseng Old Baobab kaofela ha rona. Dumela Old Baobab. Jwale he, ke nako ya hore re tsokotse mmele ya rona.
Ke a tseba hore ke nako efe eo.
Ana le a tseba hore ke nako ya eng metswalle? Oh, nna wa tseba hore metswalle ya rona e reng?
E reng metswalle ya rona?
Ba re ke nako ya ho bina pina.
Tsokotsa mohatla wa ka, ke nako ya ho bina.
Ha re bineng he metswalle.
Shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Hello, Tovela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. We say how's it and Eta, what's up and Sawubona. Shaking hands is our style. We greet with a friendly smile. Goeiemorgen. Locha, Botani, rubbing shoulders with a pat on the back, high five with a mighty whack. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. We say how's it and Eta, what's up and Sawubona. Shaking hands is our style. We greet with a friendly smile. Goeiemorgen and Kunjani. Locha, Botani, rubbing shoulders with a pat on the back. High five with a mighty whack. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abusheng.
Re a leboha ha le binne le rona metswalle.
Re leboha metswalle ya rona.
1, 2, cha cha cha. 3, 4, cha cha cha.
Helang, ke motantsho ofe o ithutang ona?
O bitswa cha cha cha. O etswa tjena. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 3, 4, cha cha cha.
Jwale hobaneng o balla hodimo tjena?
Ho nthusa hore ke hopole hore maoto a ka a hloka ho etsa jwang.
Oho!
Jwale ha ke ntse ke ithuta, ke ikwetlisa, ke tla tseba hore ke etse motantsho ona hantle haholo.
Oho! Jwale o hloka ho ikwetlisa hangata?
Eya Baobab, hore o tsebe ntho, o hloka ho ipheta hangata.
Ke a bona. Ho ka etsahalang ha o sa phete hangata?
Ho ka ba bobebe ho e lebala Baobab.
Hao! Ke a bona jwale.
Ke ka hoo batho ba tantsang, ba binang, ba bapalang dipapadi, ba dula ba ikwetlisa hore ba tsebe ntho eo ba etsang.
Ho a kgahlisa. Jwale ha nka pheta ho ja dijo tsa ka hangata, nka ba kgelle ke dijong.
Tjhe bo Baobab, ho ja haholo ha wa lokela mmele wa hao.
Hle.
Eya Baobab, empa ntho tse ding jwalo ka ho matha di a thusa ha o di pheta hangata.
Ho lokile he.
Ha re lo utlwa hore nna metswalle ya rona e na le ntho tseo ba di etsang hangata.
Yepe! Tsokotsa mohatla wa ithuta ho bapala bolo. Ke ithuta ho bina. Ke ithuta go bala.
Re a leboha haholo metswalle. O utlwile baby Pep, metswalle ya rona e tseba dilo tse ngata.
Tsokotsa mohatla wa ka.
Empa metswalle ya ka, ke nako ya hore re phomoleng hanyane fela.
Se ke nna tsamaya metswalle.
Eya, re tla be re tshwere ntho tse ngata ha re hutla. Dulang hona moo.
Re tla e bona hona jwale.
Inside the Baobab tree. Inside the Baobab tree.
Hello again, friends. Welcome back to Inside the Baobab Tree.
Oh, yeah. Hello again, friends.
We are having such a fun time today. Baby Pep, what do you say we go see what our friend, the giraffe scope, has for us today?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay, let's go. This is our friend, the giraffe scope.
Yippee! Giraffe scope!
We love the giraffe scope. When we look through the giraffe scope, we can see far, far away. We can look anywhere we want. The giraffe scope is very clever. How cute is that? That child is playing the piano. It takes a lot of practice to play the piano. Just look at all those keys you need to remember. The keys are black and white in color, almost like a musical zebra. The child has to play the same song over and over again in order to know how to play it well. See how practice makes perfect? That was some amazing view we saw today.
Yes, it was, Lolo.
See, I told you the giraffe scope could see anything, anywhere, and that was great. Awesome. All done with the giraffe scope. Let's put it away and catch it another time.
Twist my tail.
Hone hole monate ho sheba ka giraffe scope, Baby Pep.
Eya, hone hole monate haholo.
Jwale Baby Pep, re tlo mamela hore radio ya rona e re tshwaretse pina e fe tsatsing lena.
Hao, nka thaba haholo. Ke rata dipina.
Le nna nka rata ho Baby Pep.
Yay!
Ha re mamele he Baby Pep.
Yes.
Ho lokile, ha re mamele. Le se le lokile metswalle. Ho lokile he, ha re bineng.
Yay!
Ha re tekeng haholo, haholo, haholo. Ha re tekeng haholo, hore re phumelele. Re tlamehile ho ikwetlisa, kwetlisa, kwetlisa. Re tlamehile ho ikwetlisa, hore re phumelele. Ha re tekeng haholo, haholo, haholo. Ha re tekeng haholo, hore re phumelele. Re tlamehile ho thusana, thusana, thusana. Re tlamehile ho thusana, hore re phumelele.
Wow! Tsokotsa mohatla wa ka.
Inside the Baobab tree. Inside the Baobab tree.
Welcome back to Inside the Baobab Tree.
Yippee!
So, today we have been learning how practicing something can make you good all the time.
And practice makes perfect.
Well said, Baby Pep.
Thank you, Nala.
So, Baby Pep, what do you say we make ourselves a fun instrument to practice making music on?
Twist my tail.
Would you like me to show you how I made it?
Wow, yes! Which instrument were you thinking about, Nolo?
Well, here's a clue.
Wow, I see! You're playing the drums!
Yes, I am, Baby Bab. So, should we make some drums to please our ears?
Yes, please! Nolo, ta-ta-ta!
Friends, would you like to see how I make a drum? You would? Yay! All right then.
Yippee!
This is our magic toolbox, Tuli, and inside it has everything we need to show you how you can make your very own coffee can drum. Let's wake Tuli up. Hello, Tuli. I'd like to make a coffee can drum. Please may I have all the tools and materials I'll need? Great. It sounds as if Tuli is ready. Let me reach inside. So, I'll need a pair of safe scissors, some glue, a marker, spray paint, a coffee can, chopsticks, different color A3 paper, I can't feel anything else, Tuli. Is that all I need? Oh, great. Let's get making.
Make and do, make and do.
Oh, Nolo, do we have everything?
We have everything, Baby Bab.
Yahoo!
Now I can show you how you can make your very own coffee tin drum. Let's make it. So, first you take an old tin of coffee. Then you take one colored A3 paper. Then you put your tin on the floor like that. Then you take your marker and you mark on the side like that, just a little dot. And you take a ruler and you make a straight line on the dot.
Oh, wow!
All the way to the end.
Oh, yay!
Like that. Then when you're done, you cut on the line. Okay. Just like that.
Oh, Nolo, what's next?
Well, we'll need to cover our tin. So to do this, take some glue, put some at the end there, spread it out a little bit.
Oh, yay!
Then we take our paper, put it on like that.
Oh, Nolo, what do you do next?
Well, we take some glue and put it on our paper.
Oh,
Close the glue. And then put it all the way around and stick it down.
oh, yay!
Just like that.
Wow, yellow drums!
Now, what we need for our drum is a little pattern. To do this, we'll take our blue paper, a marker, and a ruler. Now, we take the longer part of the paper, take your ruler, and measure about 6 centimeters. So put your ruler on 0 like that. Then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put a dot on the paper at 6. Then you draw a straight line down.
Oh, straight line.
All the way down. See? Then you take your scissors again and you cut on the line. See? Then you take this blue paper and draw a pattern on it.
What are you going to draw, Nala?
Well, I think I'm going to make a triangular pattern.
Oh, yeah.
You can make any pattern you want, friends. It could be circles, butterflies, could be hearts, anything really.
Oh, I like that pattern, Nala.
It's very cool. And there.
Wow.
Now we take our drum and we need to put our pattern around. See? To do this, we'll take our clue again. Put some glue at the end, right here. Stick it on your drum. Then you go around. Put more glue at the end there. Then go around your drum and stick it down.
Oh, I like it, Nala.
Now, we need to take some spray paint.
Oh, yahoo! Spray paint!
What we need to do is we need to spray paint the silver part here.
Oh, spray paint!
Friends, whenever you use spray paint, always make sure that you have something on the table so that you don't mess up. So, I'm going to use our already cut blue paper. Put it down, put my drum on it. Then I'll take my spray paint. This has a lot of fumes, so try not to inhale a lot. Give it a nice shake. Then, ready?
Oh, ready?
Hold your breath. And there you go.
Oh, is that all, Nala?
Well, now you have to leave for it to dry. And once it's dry, it will look like this. Then you can take your chopsticks and start playing your drum. I think I need drumming lessons. And there you have it, friends. Your very own coffee can drum. Metswalle, ke tshepa hore le thabetse ho bapala le rona tsatsing lena. Tsatsing lena, re ithutile ka ntho tse ngata tse thabisang haholo.
Ebile
Empa ke nako ya hore re sadise metswalle ya rona jwale.
Motsotswana fela hle.
O se ke wa tshwenyeha baby Pep, re tla bona metswalle ya rona tsatsing le leng hape.
Ha, wa tshepisa?
Ke a o tshepisa.
Ho lokile. Ke tla bona wena hape.
Salang hantle.
Salang hantle.
Tsatsing lena inside the Baobab tree re ithutile hore ha o ithuta ntho o hloka ho ipheta hore o itsebe. Re ile ra bina pina e monate le singing radio. Giraffe Scope o re bontshitse hore ke batho bafe ba dulang ba ikwetlisa ho phomella mesebetsing ya bona. Ebile re ketsedise sekupu sa lekotikoti ka nako ya make and do. Re tjhakeleng hape mona inside the Baobab tree. Ho ne ho le monate ho ba le lona. Salang hantle metswalle.